Hi everyone, welcome back to Airdrop Insider, your go-to channel for all things crypto and airdrop opportunities. I'm Adam, and today we're talking about the latest meme sensation in the crypto space, Trump token. Please note it, rumors have appeared on blogs about the launch of a meme coin by Trump's daughter Ivanka. Melania Trump's meme coin is up 17,000%. Trump has a very large family. So, stick around because I'll tell you what this token is all about, why it's gaining so much attention, and how you can join. As always, if you have any questions or need guidance, you can reach out to me directly on Telegram. I'm here to help with advice, updates, and support for all things crypto. The link is in the description below, so don't hesitate to connect. Let's dive in. The Trump token is a community-driven meme cryptocurrency that mixes humor, politics, and the power of memes. Inspired by one of the most talked-about figures in recent history, this token has captured the meme coin community's imagination. What makes it stand out? It's not just a meme, it's also about creating a strong, engaged community. Plus, it's riding the wave of viral crypto trends, making it a hot topic right now. Now, why should you care? Number 1. Meme coin popularity. Meme tokens like Trump token often create buzz, and when they go viral, they can surprise the market. Number 2. Community power. A strong and active community drives its growth and keeps the excitement alive. Number 3. High potential for gains. While it's speculative, the right timing in the meme coin market can lead to impressive profits. Quick reminder. Meme coins are fun, but can be volatile, so always do your own research. Getting Trump token is straightforward. Head to a supported exchange or platform like PancakeSwap. Swap your cryptocurrency, such as BNB or ETH, for Trump token. Join their social media channels to stay updated on the latest news and trends. That's it for today's video on Trump token. Whether you're here for the memes, the community, or the potential gains, this token is definitely making waves. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Airdrop Insider, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest crypto updates and airdrop opportunities. And don't forget, if you have any questions or need guidance, you can reach out to me directly on Telegram. The link is in the description below. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's keep exploring the world of crypto together.